How to find your browser type and version. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google and click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down and click on Help, then click on About Google Chrome. In here, you will find Version below Google Chrome. Simply see Version from here, but if you want to see version of Microsoft Edge, open Microsoft Edge and then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down in here and click on Help and Feedback. Then click on About Microsoft Edge. In here, you'll find it in the same way. You'll find version, and after that, you'll find the numbers. And this is how to find your browser type and version. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.